We just got done with the prep process and now we're going to start installing our graphics. Some tools you're going to need, a couple of them going to come in your application kit, the felt squeegee and the hard squeegee. And also we recommend you have a snap-off style razor knife available. It's going to help you trim any areas in the graphic that you need to. So we just finished prepping this Pro RMK for install. We're going to get started. It's definitely a one-man job, but if you got two, it's even better. So there's some things you can do with our graphics that you can't do with, say, stock graphics, for instance. When you're putting the pieces on, you want to line them up with the body panel where they go. Just lightly adhere them. If you don't like where that sits, and peel it back off and put it in a different position. Pretty much as many times as you want until you get it right. You want to use the hinge method with our graphics. Our graphics have a air release crosshatch built into the adhesive, so you can push bubbles out after the graphics down. The air will actually release through those channels in the adhesive. So that's where this one's fitting the best. I'm going to put a hinge in there, lift this back to the hinge. You can kind of tug on it a little bit and tell that it's adhered very well there. Not so much until you get to it. That's how you find your hinge. Then I'm just going to start working this forward with my thumb. Notice I'm not using my squeegee a lot. That air release really makes it easy to use your thumb or your fingers to apply this stuff. So using this hinge method is going to ensure that you have the best bubble-free install possible. So you can see we just wrapped up this install. It was flawless. It went together really well because of our templating technique. It really makes for an easy install. You really just need to line the artwork up in the piece to the body panel that it's situated with, and you should be good to go. So this finished product turned out excellent. You can make yours today at ArcticFXgraphics.com.